Hey squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool umbrella here, and basically what this is a memory foam footrest pillow. If you see, the one that we got right here is from a brand called Everlasting Comfort. In the bottom they do provide guys some of the specs and features on here. So to mention how the product has premium memory foam material, it has an ergonomic design, and it's multifunctional for you to use it in many different ways. And for the one that I got right here is a black color. They do have this available in gray and navy blue as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, here is basically what the product looks like. So let's take it out first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. Alright, so once you guys take it out, inside they do provide you guys the user manual to teach you guys how to use it and how to maintain it. So you see in the back part right here, they show you guys how to take it out, and you do have the option to throw in the machine to wash it, and you do have the option to put it in the dryer to dry as well. But once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So you see on the side we do have the brand logo, Everlasting Comfort, and here is basically what the product looks like. So when you guys feel the material on here, it definitely feels very soft and very smooth. If you guys can see it on the bottom right here, they do have the non-slip material, so that way when you guys do put it on the floor, it won't move around. And when you see on the side right here, they do have a zipper. So once you guys open up, here is basically what the inside looks like. So basically the inside they do have like a high quality memory foam material. So when you guys squeeze down, you can see how it comes back up really fast. And when you guys do feel the memory foam material that's on here, it actually feels really nice. But once you guys are done, you can zip it back up. And that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me just put this down on the ground to show you guys what the product looks like when you guys do use it. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the product. All you can do is put it down on the ground. And once you guys do put it on the ground, you do have the option to put your feet on top, just like that. And once we do put our feet on here, it actually feels pretty comfortable. You definitely get that comfort and support when you guys do put it on. And what's really cool about the product is the fact that it does give you guys the option to use it this way, or if you guys want to turn it the other way, you guys can do that as well. And I believe if you guys want to flip it around, you do have the option to use a rocker option like this if you guys want to as well, which is pretty cool. So if you guys use it this way, it's not as elevated, whereas this side right here is more elevated. So that way your feet can be a little bit higher when you guys do use it on your desk or anywhere else. If you can see, the product definitely works pretty well, and it is super easy to use. Welcome back guys. So nice little quick test, the product definitely actually does work, and actually works quite well. So whether if you guys want to use it at home, in office, or anywhere else, wherever you guys want to use it, that is up to you guys. But using one of these is actually really helpful for your feet, your hips, and your back. So if you guys are in the office, or if you guys are working from home for a long period of time, or if you guys are a gamer and you guys play for a long period of time, that is where one of these actually comes in handy. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and test the product. Now to end the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality memory foam footrest pillow that's used in the office or at home or anywhere else to give you guys that all day comfort and support. And I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.